Hey, I'm Kurt Elster. I've spent over a decade working with Shopify merchants and hosting the unofficial Shopify podcast. Free gift with purchase is one of my favorite offers in this space. It's clear, it's compelling, and when done right, it gives customers a reason to spend more without making your products feel cheaper. It's just a smart promotion, but in practice, I kept seeing the same thing. Merchants wanted to run it, clients wanted to run it, but actually getting it live was way more frustrating than it should have been. Easy on paper, messy in the details. Different themes, different cart experiences, product variants, thresholds changing, customers clicking away. All these little things that sound minor until they're suddenly your problem. And I have very little patience for that kind of friction. So we built the version we wanted to exist. Not the biggest, not the most bloated, but a focused tool built for the way Shopify merchants actually run promotions and the way real customers actually shop. Because when a merchant wants to run a free gift campaign, the goal isn't to become an expert in promotion logic. The goal is to set it up, trust that it works, and get on with your day. That's Promo Party Pro. We're still refining it because that's how good products get made. You launch, you learn, you listen, and you keep improving. But the reason we built it hasn't changed. We saw a real need, felt the friction ourselves, and wanted a better answer. So we made one. If that sounds like something your store's been missing, give Promo Party Pro a try. Take a look, test it out, and see what you think. We built it to be useful, easy, and we're continuing to improve it. And we'd love to have you be part of it.